There are specific things that have to be done after the death of an incapacitated person. They need to obtain the death certificate. They have to prepare a statement of death, has to be filed with the court. They have to notify the court examiner, and the court examiner has to prepare a document for judicial signature. And the court will direct that within 150 days of that document, it's actually called a notice of death. The person prepares a statement of death, and the notice of death is the document that triggers the court to order a final accounting. And that's that last look, the last observance of the court to make sure that all of the money was handled. So $24,000 comes in on an annual basis, $2,000 a month. Rent is $1,200. Food is $400. In my example, there's $400 left a month. At the end of the year, that person should have $4,800. So that's a simplified example. But you have to look at all of the income and all of the expenses and outgoing money, what's remaining there, and does the balance on the bank account jive? Does it show that they had that sum of money? And if that sum of money isn't there, what happened to it? Was there an expense that they didn't account for? Maybe they put in a chair ramp. Maybe they had to buy a new couch. Maybe they had to buy a new bed, a new wheelchair. Maybe there was a legitimate purchase, but it has to be accounted for. And then the final report is the final accounting from the last annual filed to the date of death. And there's a process for this. It has to be filed by order to show cause.